Tokyo Olympic champion, European champion this year. You might remember from Paris, from an Australian perspective, Funk was the last paddler down, looking to defend her title, had some issues in the run. Jessica Fox ended up with the title. It was dramatic then. But she is a high-quality performer. Spends the summer down under, knows this facility very well indeed.
Funk is one of the few women who races only in K1. She doesn't do both the C1 and the K1. She's incredibly fast, as you say. I don't know if there's a single gold medal that she hasn't laid a claim to at some point.
Swift at the top of the course for Ricarda Funk on the world title in 21 and 22. She knows all about the pressure. Won't be too fussed about where she is in the start list. 6 of the 12 paddlers to come down. She can put a lot of scoreboard pressure on the remaining paddlers here with a fast run.
Now, Canoe-Kayak was incredibly fast in this stagger. Ricarda lost a little bit of time surfing that wave. Nicely through that eddy. The crux move coming up.
Force back, maybe a stroke and a half extra. Still time up, but a little stop there as well. So this is going to be tight between Funk and the Australian Kate Eckhart. Down to the line, second place. And now you can see heart rate rising.
Kate Eckhart knows that if you are faster than Funk, you are quite fast.
6 to go. The Australian